Welcome to another video on my Arduino Mega2560 right here, connected to, well, breadboard with some electronics, wiring, MegaADK, Arduino development kit, no Arduino, no the Android development kit, no Android involved, and here the Arduino Uno, all connected. Which basically means that this one is connected here and here, so that if there's a signal from here, this LED will blink. Signal from here to here, and then another LED right here, fischertechnik LED, and if that one blinks, this one will blink, which it does. Then if everything is alright, this one will blink, which it doesn't, and this one stopped blinking. Yeah, it stopped blinking. It did before, it did work. Until I connected some wires and then it stopped blinking, so I'm not quite sure why that is. Anyway, oh, there it goes. So it is a wiring issue. Alright, very nice. So this one is connected to my MacBook, which is right here with a screen. So that one works, and by the way, this camera is a webcam which I use for my screencast, which will come up. Anyway, I'm still trying to get this lamp working, and let's see what we can do further. Right, so now we have the MegaADK, A for Android, the 2560, and now there is a slight inconvenience. Well, not at this one, with these two, because this is the 2560, this is the ADK, but I can only select one interface, two connected at the same time. But if I look here, port, it says rightfully Mega2560. This one is the MegaADK, but if I select this one for this, and next one I select this one for here, it says, oh well, I will adjust it here as well. So actually, considering all this, you need 3 laptops, because then you can select everything apart and not risking uploading one to the other. So yeah, 3 laptops, a little bit crowded in space, short of space. Anyway, this one works, this one doesn't. Then I have a schematic which is only the Mega2560. This one coming to the breadboard from the Uno, this one coming from the MegaADK. And fortunately this LED is working, but this lamp isn't, and why it isn't, I am not entirely sure. The point is also that this one, like all LEDs, is polar, like a plus and a minus. This one can be anyway. No plus, no minus, just current. So why doesn't this one work? This one you have to really look good. It's a tricolor LED, but it works anyway. This one is absolutely working, considering this LED is blinking. Or was blinking anyway. It used to blink. So if that one blinks, why doesn't the rest? And then of course wire here, so I can read something from there. Let's open then here the serial monitor. So it gets its signal, which is all 1. It should be varying with blinking of the LED. Alright. Does it function? Do I see a 1 and a 0? Because the 28 has to be either 1 or 0 now. But I do not see. Neither do I see it for the 30. So wherever that is going, it's not alright. Right, so now I have taken another laptop, which is not a very new one, and as you can see on the text, it is installed in Dutch language, which is not a problem for me. So I've installed Arduino IDE. I had to change here something, because when I connected, thankfully with a long USB cable, the MegaADK to this laptop, I found that I got an error with opening the serial port, and it turns out with this command that the owner was root, and as user you can't access root except when you use sudo or when you change the ownership. So I did change the ownership to myself, and then I could do it. So I typed the code again. Now I will upload it. And here you see the new result. So this means that all the Arduinos are now on separate computers. This one is the MegaADK, another one is for the Mega2560, and yet another one is, which is the Apple, is for the Arduino Uno. So hopefully this solves a problem, and I do see that there is one other issue. It says now test and test behind each other, so here it should say test 2 with a print line. Anyway, that's cosmetics. And here I am on the MacBook with the Arduino Uno, and now with the terminal with it, and you can see apart from no camera, because that's attached to a different computer, but it's working. It says false and true. So anyway, this kind of works. Unfortunately I can't show what is really happening on screen, because somehow there's no software available that I can make camera appearance on this screen. So I have to do it this way. But it shows it works. 3 computers for 3 boards. So back on the first primary laptop, and everything is, as you can see here, functioning nicely. This is functioning. This is functioning as well. Not very good visible on screen, but with the bare eye I can definitely see it work. Here's an LED working. This one is clearly working. The only thing that doesn't work yet is the lamp. Does this work? No. I still can't see a 0 here. So that's another thing that I don't like. 28 and 30 are inputs. Those are here. And they really are 28. And put a 30 definitely. So if this LED works and the signal is coming, that means that the signal is coming from, now I have to move this one out of the way. So it means that the signal is coming from here to here, because this gets a signal from here, which is the same point. So the big question is, why is this not working? Means either a problem with the wiring, which I don't think it is, or a broken lamp. Last time I tested it and it was alright. So remains the question, why doesn't it work? And right now I can't answer it, unfortunately. Main concern is, why is this staying all 1? Because when it's off it is 0. And it is for all not good. And that's a bit worrying. Although maybe the precaution with the resistors here that I took, let me show you. So input resistor to the port, and the resistor could be bringing the voltage down in such a way that it doesn't work anymore, but I have my doubt that that is the cause. But then again, what else could it be? I'm not quite sure. And with this change in the setup, one laptop, other laptop, MacBook. Well, I should point to the boards, not to the breadboards. I say thank you for watching. Still one thing unsolved, but the rest is so far working quite nicely. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter, and please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired, or you can become a patron and have your name mentioned. More information is under this video. Please take a look at my website. And well, for now, this is going to be continued. Stay safe, have a nice day. Bye bye.